Welcome to World Conflict Channel. According to breaking news, huge explosions occurred in the Belgorod region of Russia. Residents of the town of Novy Oskol in the Belgorod region heard 3 explosions and saw a bright flash in the sky. A witness said that an unknown object had fallen to the ground, without making it possible to determine its nature. Also, many videos of explosions were shared on social media. In one of the videos, the windshield of the car appears to have been smashed by the violence of the explosion in the city. According to another video, the ammunition depot in the city is on fire after the explosions. Although there is currently no clear information about the explosions, local sources also claim that the Ukrainian armed forces hit a Russian ammunition depot. Official statements about the explosions are expected in the near hours. Also, there is information that in parallel with the explosions in Belgorod, the Ukrainian army launched a counterattack in the Soledar area in Bakhmut. The Ukrainian military, who are currently in Soledar, report that today they launched a counterattack and retook the railway station. This is the outskirts of the city of Soledar. We can say that the Russians are not yet in full control of the city. According to the official statement of Ukraine, the Ukrainian armed forces carried out a missile attack with the Tochkayu complexes in the direction of Soledar. It is claimed that more than 100 Russian invaders were destroyed as a result of the attack. At the same time, great activity is observed in the Russian media. Russian media share these footages, claiming that the Wagner forces have now completely taken over the city of Soledar. According to information shared only in the Russian media, Wagner forces defeated the last resistors in the city a few hours ago and took control of the city. However, considering that the Russian media has been spreading the same news for several days, it is too early to believe the Russians. Besides, a few hours ago, the military armed forces of the 45th Separate Artillery Brigade shared a video showing how the Russian army tried to attack Soledar but was defeated. In another video shared by Ukraine, the attacks of Ukrainian kamikaze drones on the Russians are reflected. According to the official statement, in the video, drone operators from the 79th Separate Amphibious Assault Brigade destroy Russian tanks in the Marinka region with the help of kamikaze drones. Thanks for watching. By subscribing to my channel, you can be informed about new news.